here at Bellbird Park. I'm outside, 2-bed, 1 bath. It's downstairs, 2 levels. It's got a deck at the front. It needs a bit of tidying up. It's all sort of half-baked. The yard is quite large. It's got a lot of space at the back for a big shed. It's got a side stairs, built in downstairs. It's all actually quite level and straight. The framework is quite solid, very, very strong timber. But I'll show you through it. So in here, this will be all the living area. You can see the internal staircase. Check that out. Definitely not keeping that one. So it's got, you know, like some wet areas here. And this will probably be the kitchen downstairs. Got a bedroom down here. This will be like kitchen living, and then it'll be an internal staircase going upstairs. Now this is another area in here. It's got some space for another room if we want it. And then upstairs, check that out. That's really, really dangerous. Oh, look at that. That's a classic staircase. So that's the front balcony there, looking back to the back of the house. This is the lounge area, which that staircase takes up too much space. We'll probably put it in here, but you walk in there. Then this is the kitchen here, which will turn into a bedroom. That's where the door goes out to the backyard. That's shell. So it'd be, that's our bathroom, toilet. So there'll be a bedroom in there, which will remain, one there. So we can turn this into a full bed upstairs. It'll be quite good. We'll see what happens. Hopefully, this is currently in July, mid-July, so we have to finish this before the end of the year and then put it on the market for Christmas. Talk soon.